Minerals are essential to modern industry and the global energy transition. It also featured on one of the many statements made by G7 leaders in France concerned the need to develop more resilient supply chains to ensure a diversity of sources. In a joint statement, leaders outlined plans to align strategic stockpiles, expand joint procurement, and establish a new platform supported by the International Energy Agency. The initiative focuses on rare earth elements and permanent magnets, which are widely used in electric vehicles, wind turbines, electronic and defense systems. China on Thursday responded by urging the group to respect international trade rules. It also warned against what it called the use of small circles to disrupt the global economic order. Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson Lin Qian said Beijing's position on maintaining the stability and security of global industrial and supply chains remains unchanged. Industry data show that nearly 70% of global rare earth production and around 95% of permanent magnet manufacturing is concentrated in China, making it the dominant supplier in the sector. Without naming any specific country, the leaders said they aim to reduce dependence on a single external supplier for rare earths and permanent magnets to below 60% by 2030, with a long-term goal of around 50% as soon as possible. The issue of rare earths intensified after Beijing imposed export restrictions on several critical minerals last year in response to US tariffs and temporarily disrupted global industries. China has since indicated that further controls could be reintroduced following a temporary trade truce. A United Nations report shows China has introduced 16 restrictions on critical minerals and energy transition materials since 2020, reflecting growing trade tensions and competition over strategic resources. As global demand continues to rise, countries are now balancing supply security with the realities of China's entrenched position in the global rare earth industry. Abukhaya Jafarova, A News, Beijing, China.